While the smile entity does have a clear biological process, the entity is also driven by a complex psychology. It's convinced itself that it's a demonic and cursed being, something supernatural, when it is actually just a biological organism. The creature's psychological profile points to an addiction to fear and control. It derives pleasure from its victims' suffering, prolonging their fear because it enjoys watching their mental state deteriorate. Over time, this addiction has become so ingrained in this entity that it actually believes that it needs trauma to survive. This psychology creates a predictable pattern in the creature's behavior. It does play with its prey, drawing out their torment not out of necessity, but because it has developed an emotional need for it. This makes the smile monster more than just a predator. It's a sadistic entity that derives gratification from its victim's suffering. I have no doubt that this entity feels pleasure from the suffering of its victims, but I also believe there's a difference between surviving and thriving. I mean, sure, the entity might be able to survive by just killing off its victims in less than a day, but it probably wouldn't be nearly as big and powerful as it is now. However, it could still be possible that the entity has convinced itself of something that it's actually not.